Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge. I hope you're gaining value. I always give a big shout out to my coach because I'm still a work in progress and I'm learning from them and I try to share my knowledge out based on their encouragement. Now, based on structure, we do have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here and we have a break of structure here, right? We all know it as higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, based on those that are still very new in trading. Now, the market moves in three sequence. There's uptrend, that is what we know as the bullish momentum. There is downtrend, that is what we know as the bearish momentum, and there's what we call consolidation. There's no trend, it's neither going up or going down. Some individuals do call it range. Now, our topic is market structure shift. When market structure shift, what does it mean? It means that when price is going on a bullish momentum, right, and price want to turn to the opposite direction for a bearish momentum. Let's assume price is buying and price want to turn to a bearish momentum. That's when the market structure shift comes in. It means that the market wants to go in an opposite direction of the market. Now, just to have it at the back of your mind, that everywhere in the market is money. Everywhere in the market is money. This is money. This is liquidity. You hear people saying liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. This is liquidity. Price is going up to clear out liquidity. Lower low, internal range liquidity, price taking out external range liquidity. All this is money. Anytime you hear liquidity, at the back of your mind, carry at the back of your mind that it is money. Now, we all know also that this low is also liquidity, and this low here is what? Liquidity. Sometimes you hear people say price is going for old lows and old highs. When you do your top analysis and you hear people say, oh, price is going for old lows. All this higher high, higher low, everything in this market is money. Everything in the market is money. The only question is you need to know where the money is. Now, price has taken out this liquidity, right? This change of character, which many people see it as MSS, some people label it as CHOCH, that is change of character. The goal is that we're trying to make this trading as simple as possible, trying to figure out something very, very easy for us to understand. And this is the main goal. Now, the whole market is money and we're looking at grabbing. If price is going to go on a bearish momentum, this is what they call bearish momentum. This is old lows. Price is going to target all this money as liquidity. Do you see it? So this is the whole summary. You have to know what you are doing. Now, going to the market now, right? I'm using the 1 day time frame. What did I see here? I see a break of structure here as a BOS, break of structure here, right? This is a break of structure here. And what do I have again here? There was no break of structure, but we have one here. We had one here, a tiny one, and that's not even a break of structure. That's an MSS. That was a change of character, right? And what do I have again? I have another break of structure here. Do you see that yourself, right? Now, sometimes you might see price do this. What do you see here? Price did not take out this low, right? Price did not take out this low. But what? Price took out this low, and this is also called a change of character. There are so many things that you have to learn in the chart because, like I say, I always tell people that your coach can be there for you. Your coach can teach you everything you need to know. But if you don't go on the chart and practice and try to learn, the market is very funny. Now, what I just showed you now is what you see here as a change of character, as an MSS. And what do you see? Price came out and took this old high, old high, and old high as what? Liquidity. Just like the diagram I showed you here. Change of character, the old lows. The same thing here. If this price do change character, it's something you just have to practice. It's all about practicing. Do you see it yourself, right? Now, if you look at this chart very well, right? If price dare change character and move up in this direction here and does this, price start targeting these old highs above, and all these become what? Liquidity. And some people do it as their TP1, some people do it as their TP2. This is what? A change of character that has taken place here. Do you see it yourself, right? So this is what how market structure shift is being refined in a way. Going back to the chart again, and we have what? Another break of structure here. And what do we have again? Another shift of market structure here. Do you see it? What I showed you here in this diagram. You have to practice. I can only show you, but I cannot be there with you when you're analyzing. This is what happened here. And what do I have again here? I have what? I have a break of structure here again. Another thing you should take note of, anytime price does a higher high, higher low, higher high, kindly make sure that this comes out with a body and not a wick. If it comes out with a wick, that means price has created liquidity. That will help you a lot from a lot of heartbreak. If it comes out with a wick, that means price has created liquidity. So price has to do a break of structure with a full body, like a body is there. That means yes, you are right. That means price is actually ready to move. I hope this video was very impactful to you. It's very straightforward, nothing something so hard. It's a very straightforward video. The body must come out with a body to show a valid break of structure. That's the first one. Second one, you're looking for market moves in a trend of uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. That is bullish, bearish, and ranging markets. So when price, we also target equal highs and equal lows, but it made it more easier for me when I started understanding that the higher high, higher low, all these lows are old lows, that liquidity, that price will come and take out in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ask your questions on the comment section. I'm always very happy to answer questions, and I'll gladly answer you. Thank you so much.